So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. I really do enjoy this taste. It's a dark Brazilian roast. It tastes really good. And you can brew it in a K-Cup machine, or you can grind your own coffee or have it pre-ground for you. I hope when somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is, that you say Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Walmart Magic Bullet for $15. I'm also going to show you my favorite smoothie that I make. I'm going to be using this Muscle Lean. It actually tastes really good. So I got some frozen fruit here, I got some ice and water, and we're going to make a smoothie. So this is a pretty incredible price, $15 for a Magic Bullet. That's a heck of a steal. Okay, let's see what all we get in the box. There's the blender. Yeah. Okay, one more thing. All right. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the box. We get a manual. We get 2 of these jars. There's the actual blender. We get a lid. So let's take a look. Here are the blades. We want to make sure and take this sticker off. But be careful, those are really sharp. Okay, so here's the blender. Let's see, it's a 250 watt blender. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 250 watts. So you're going to put your ingredients in here up to the max line. And then you're going to screw this on. And now I'll plug it in and we'll use it. Okay, so you can do pulsing by just pressing down and holding it. But if you want it to stay on, you're going to press it down and turn it a little bit. Now it's hands-free. So you're in control of how long you're going to blend this. Again, either pulsing it or pushing it down and turning it. Okay, so I did some measuring. This bigger cup holds about 16 ounces, and this one holds only about 5 ounces to the max line. Okay, so let's put our frozen fruit in. I'm also going to put some ice in. I got to leave some room for some ice and some water. Let's put a few ice chunks in. Again, my fruit's already frozen. Now I'm going to add the water. You want to make sure you have plenty of liquid. All right. So I'm adding almost 10 ounces. Then I got some room for the powder. Again, this is the vanilla milkshake Muscle Lean, and it tastes really good. Okay, so it says to add 1 to 2 scoops. I'm going to use just 1 scoop. It's a pretty big scoop. So now we're going to add our powder. Went over the max a little bit. All right, let's see how it does. We're just going to screw this on. Okay, let's give it a look. I think it did a pretty good job. We're going to open it up. Ooh, it looks really good. Yeah, I filled it too full, but it did okay. Now, this does not have a lid that you can put on for like travel. It's got for storage or for drinking. So that is, I do see that now, why it's $15. You don't have any extra lids. Okay, so let's pour it into a glass. Yeah, it did a good job of chopping the ice up. Let's put a straw in. That tastes really good. Yeah, that is really refreshing and it tastes really good. Now what I like about this is these parts are dishwasher safe. I can put this in the dishwasher, the lid, the bottles. Now this, I just simply got to wipe this off if I get anything on this, but there's what it looks like. Yeah, if you're looking for a really good tasting smoothie, this Muscle Lean, I'm not sure exactly how they can make a powder taste that good, but it tastes really good. And I haven't tasted a lot. I've tasted probably about 10 to 15 protein powders, and they don't necessarily all taste the best. And now I get why this is $15. Again, it works really well. It's just, with the more expensive ones, you get a few more options, like a travel lid that screws on here, and they have one that has like a handle. But boy, this thing works really good for $15. So again, I got this at Walmart. I am a Walmart and an Amazon affiliate. So underneath the video in the show description notes, you'll see links to this, but also on the YouTube video, you'll see a link for products now. YouTube has a products where you can click in the video. You'll see the product pop up in there. If you click on that, I do get a commission from the sale, but the product won't cost you anymore. Now, I did buy this with my own money and I was not paid for this video. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.